Hey, it's Jason here with themuscleprogram.com, and today I have a leg workout for you. And this is for one of those days where you don't have a lot of time. You just want to get in and out of the gym real quick, but you want a really awesome pump in your quads and your hamstrings just all over. So this workout here is just using one exercise. It's going to be on the leg press, and again, this is something that you're going to spend probably about 20 minutes, maybe a little more than that, on this exercise here, because you're going to have to rest between these like huge giant sets that you're going to be doing. So here's how it works, and I'll show you some footage here just so you have an example. You're basically going to do one giant set of leg press, but you're going to use 3 foot placements, 3 foot positions throughout this entire set. So start out by choosing a weight that I'd say you can probably do for like 20 reps, maybe even more than that. So you're going to go pretty light here. You're not trying to go super heavy, and we'll talk about going heavy on leg press at the end of the video, so hang around for that. We're going to do one set, okay, with our feet kind of wide, okay, kind of like towards the edge, not all the way over, but kind of a wide foot position, a wide stance there. And you're going to do 10 reps. Then what I want you to do is rest for, I'd say, about 15 seconds. But as you're resting, keep your feet up. Keep them propped up on that leg. You're not pushing, right? You've got the leg press locked, but keep your feet up there. And then after that, after you rest 10-15 seconds, you're going to just bring your feet into kind of a shoulder width, like a regular foot stance, okay? Do that. Then you're going to pump out 10 reps with that, okay? Same weight, you're not changing weight. Then you're going to rest another 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Keeping your feet up there. Again, the leg press is locked. You're not pushing. You're not using your muscles here. Then you're going to do a final set with a closer foot placement, a very close foot position. And I actually like this position a lot. It's probably my favorite for leg press because it really hits those outer quads, man. You'll really feel that part of your leg muscle just kind of like just pumped, super pumped there. But this is just one giant set of leg press. So it's a total of 30 reps. Kind of tough, and you probably won't feel the weight until you get to that last set. Well, you probably start feeling it on that second set as well. You're like, okay, this is getting kind of tough here. So after that, I want you to rest for, I'd say, about 2 minutes, okay? Rest for about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, because you're going to be pretty winded after you do this. And then I want you to go through that routine again. One big giant set, okay? Again, you're using, I'd say, probably 50% of your weight. I know we said a weight you can do 20 or more reps with. You're going with a light weight, and what I recommend doing is just sticking with the same weight, because honestly, the weight doesn't really matter when you're doing this method here. What matters is the quality of reps, because you're not just cranking out fast reps either. I want to mention that real quick. Don't just pump out reps. Whenever you're doing high reps, we have a tendency just like to go as fast as we can. That's not the goal here. You're not doing slow reps either. Just keep a normal rep speed throughout this entire process. Okay, so you're going to rest, again, 2 or 3 minutes, however long you need to rest. Then you're going to go back and do it again. Okay, you want to stick with the same weight, that's fine. If that weight felt a little heavy, maybe you didn't quite get the total 30 reps, you need to drop the weight down. If it was too easy, well, you want to increase the weight a little bit, okay? But you're going to go through this routine again. You're going to do 10 reps with a wide stance, 10 reps with kind of a medium stance, and then 10 reps with a close stance. Rest another 2-3 minutes, however long you need, and then do it again. So in this particular workout that I'm sharing with you, I did this morning, I actually went through this routine 4 times. Now, after that 3rd time, I actually rested about 5 minutes. I had a quick conversation with a gym buddy. I'm like, okay, I need to kind of catch my breath here, and I went at it one last time. So that was a total of 120 reps. What I recommend doing is start out by doing this routine twice. So do the 30 reps, 10, 10, and 10, rest 2 or 3 minutes, and do that again. And at that point, you can say, okay, leg workout's done. Or if you want to move on to something else, maybe do 3 sets of extensions, 3 sets of curls, whatever. Now, this type of leg workout, I deem it as a really good second leg workout for that week, or a leg workout that you just want to change things up. I always like to put squats in the leg workout at least once a week. But if you need a break from squats for a week, this is a good routine to do. Or if you're doing, this was my second leg workout this week, for example. My first leg workout, I did squats. Okay, I did squats, I did some deadlifts, and I did some extensions and curls and a few other exercises. So this is my second leg workout of the week. I always like to change things up for that second leg workout. So I do want you to try this, but I just kind of want to give you some more context behind this workout here. Now lastly, you know, I said in the beginning I'd talk a little bit about going heavy on the leg press. Here's the thing I'll mention. Most people you see in the gym that have the leg press just loaded up with as many plates and then some that can fit on there, most of those people, you're going to look down and you're not going to see big or well-developed legs, because it just doesn't work well for that. And it's not that going heavy is wrong. It's not that that's a bad thing. It's just with the leg press, though, again, you see it, okay? The proof is there. Most people you see in the gym, leg pressing super heavy, they don't have big legs, or if they have big legs, well, they're just big. They're not well developed, okay? There's no striations or anything like that. And I think a big part of that is because your ego gets in the way, okay? Like, well, I can just pile on a lot of plates and just leg press. The problem is people normally don't go down far enough, and I'm not saying you have to go all the way down. You don't want to be ridiculous about it, because you want to keep tension on the muscle throughout the entire rep, each rep. That's the goal, okay? So if you're going all the way down, right, if you're just going as far, you're not really keeping tension on that muscle. Tension is going to other places that it probably shouldn't go. But if you're only going down a few inches, and the thing is, when you're going super heavy, you're not going to be dropping down as far as you think you are, okay? So it's best just to lighten that weight up and just do the reps right. Make sure there's tension on the muscle. Make sure you feel that. The other thing about going super heavy on legs in general, that's great for increasing strength. Like if you're doing heavy squats or even heavy leg press or whatever, if you want to increase strength, that's going to help, that's going to work. But if you want to get those striations on top of the muscle in your legs, your quads especially, actually have more slow twitch muscle fibers in them. So that's typically going to respond better to higher reps and higher overall volume. So that's why if you're training your legs like a lot of us will train upper body, you're just hitting those lower rep ranges or 6 to 8 or whatever, that might be why you're not getting the results in the leg development, the muscle development that you desire. So I always encourage people to, if you want to do a heavy exercise in the beginning, like if you want to do 3 or 4 sets of heavy squats, make sure after that you're cranking out 10, 12, 15 reps on extensions and leg curls and that sort of thing. Make sure you're mixing those two together at least. And again, in this case with this leg press, and I'll try to think of a cool name for this. It's just one big giant set though. You know, it's like 3 sets in one, 30 total reps. In this case, you are cranking out some reps. This is a great way too to bring out those striations. Again, this is great for a second leg workout of the week. My normal leg workout's on Tuesday. I'm filming this on Friday and I just finished. So yeah, I want you to try this and let me know in the comments what you think about the workout. Also, don't forget I'm giving away some free stuff. There's a link in the description of this YouTube video here. So get your free guide there, pick that up. And thank you once again for watching my videos. I know it's been a while since I've put something out here on the muscle program. I will make another video about why I've kind of been absent from this channel for a while. So I'll make a video on that coming up probably another week or so. So guys, thanks for your support and I'll see you next time.